to happen going forward. Great to have you, Gilbert.
Yeah, great to be here, Mr. Ladi.
So it's another day, another Binance story, and this time Binance have come out with an official statement dropping support for the Naira on their exchange platform. How's this going to impact traders in Nigeria?
Well, after facing increased scrutiny from the Nigerian government due to the allegations that was placed on Binance, Binance decided to discontinue services, and business with the Naira. This is more of an effort to show their commitment to compliance and transparency in their operation. And, deposit actually ceases today. That's by 2 p.m., few minutes from now. And then withdrawals for the Naira will cease on Friday, which is March. But halting the services for the Naira on Binance is quite a significant development for Nigeria. And also it gives us an opportunity to reflect on the broader challenges and impact of crypto businesses going fully compliant. But then the impact of this service of Binance, which is it stopped doing business with the Naira, I think first of all, the impact will lead to an emergence of new alternative. And this comes in two ways. There are other businesses, big crypto exchanges as well, which have do services to Nigerians, but then they were not good enough to compete with Binance. I think this time around, it will give them an opportunity. In the forest, once the biggest tree in the forest goes down, it creates room for air and also sunlight for other trees in that forest to grow as big as that giant. So I think there will be an emergence of new alternative. But then for the local market, we also have local crypto exchanges that offer peer-to-peer service. But then they were not even a match. They couldn't come close to competing with Binance or giving the kind of services which Binance give. So I think this will also give an alternative to local crypto businesses that also offer such services. And then I think this also plays an emphasis of compliance and then risk management, because the cryptocurrency industry in general in the entire world is going more compliance. The regulatory guidelines and compliance is being made available all over the world. So as regulatory landscape also emerges and get better, cryptocurrency investors and traders need to understand more of risk management themselves in trying to do businesses with more of crypto businesses that are more compliant. Some of that thing I think will also face limited trading volume in terms of the Naira in the cryptocurrency in exchanges that actually offer services here in Nigeria.
Right, and definitely when most traders want to maybe cash out some of their profit, I guess they won't be able to do that anymore in the Naira.
Well, there are actually other ways you could do that if you want to, but then the issues which the Nigerian government had was the allegations of manipulating the exchange rates. So if Binance have seized this, and then we had that challenge of maybe Binance may be guilty or may not be guilty as charged, but then if that challenge of a big exchange as Binance manipulating the exchange rate is being curtailed, there are other services out there which one could always use to exchange his crypto assets or USDT back to the Naira at the end of the day.
Yeah, still a developing story at this point. We'll keep tracking this whole Binance and P2P saga in Nigeria. Thank you so much, Gilbert Joekpata, financial market analyst. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks for having me, Mr. Ladi.
All right, quick glance at the market now. We'll see it's still really bullish. If we put up, we'll see extreme greed, 90 points right now. Remember how to use fear greed index. Some traders wait to see extreme greed before they take profit or buy into the market. And Bitcoin, they're sitting at $66,516 earlier today, 1.53%. So it's quite interesting that this is coming at a time, the clampdown on Binance,
when
the
lot of
Bitcoin and the whole market is really, really bullish right now. So you can imagine some of those traders that are in profit at this time
and they might
not be able to take some of that profit.
Well, I think it's a message of hope from Gilbert saying that there are other ways. So this is the time to get close to, consultants and all of that and perhaps find a way. But I do wonder how this is going to look like in the next few months, because Nigerians always find a way around it. See if there's no more peer-to-peer to affect the forex rates, at least for peer-to-peer. But what about,
at least you don't have to go to Binance again to go look for what the exchange rate is at this point.
Exactly.
Find your own exchange rate.
Exactly. Find your exchange rate. All right, Laddie, thank you so much.
Thank you.
And that's it on the program. Thank you so much for being a part of Business in